Hey everyone, so there's a lot of things we have to clear up today. Now, the first thing is big partnerships are gonna be happening. We just need to develop Shiba Inu. We need to stay patient. So the first thing I'm seeing here, and I saw on Twitter, let's make Nike accept Shiba Inu as a payment for their products. So what I'm seeing here is these big brands, such as Coca-Cola, such as McDonald's, and every other cryptocurrency could be looking into accepting cryptocurrency as a whole. Big partnerships are going to be underway, but first we need approval from the countries. We need regulation. We need many more things from what I'm seeing so far. The cryptocurrency known as Shiba Inu has sown the seeds, and we're seeing so many holders right now. The proposal is quite simple. We are the Shiba Inu community, would like to seriously consider accepting Shiba Inu cryptocurrency as a form of payment for goods and services. And this in general, this is not only for Nike. I mean, these petitions are great. They usually do happen. What we need right now is low transaction fees, and that will be possible with Shiba Inu. So what I'm seeing in the future, there is a lot of things we need to address. So be sure to drop a like. Thank you so much for dropping a like. I really appreciate you if you like this video. But Shiba token, Shiba Inu predictability speaks so much in the near future. Shiba token might hit the highest of all time this month, as a different source have predicted. And that's very interesting. You know, we could be seeing that, but who knows who predicted that. The meme coin is aiming to hit the market cap, as Shiba always targets to reach the highest value, maybe highest value this month, most possibly. The Doge killer recently surged up 25% by the tweet of Elon Musk, which Elon Musk will probably tweet again about Shiba Inu so far. According to FX Street, the coin is likely to reach this price at the end of July. Now, is this true? We shall see, but I'm hoping, I really am hoping. They do have some analysts over there. It would be around 9% higher than its current market value, and that's still big. You know, for someone that's holding $1,000, that could be pretty great. Or someone who's holding $10,000 or 1 million, this could be a big increase. While Shiba Inu coin is on its way towards this price, which is expected by the end of this month, it has already gained momentum, and the coin has already recorded over 60% hype. Now, the possibility of the reaching 0.1 is observable once it successfully hit this price, basically breaking the barrier. After its recent rise, a crypto exchange platform, Coinbase Pro, has announced to list it on platform, while the coin is already listed on other popular trading platforms. However, Coinbase Pro set out to list its platform on June 17, but unfortunately, due to some reasons, it's not listed yet, and the trading platform said it will be listed soon. So I'm hoping by the time this video is out, or by any time, they're going to be basically listing it. But what we can see so far is Shiba Inu is looking pretty well, especially if it hits that price point we're all looking for. Now, there's a lot of FUD here, and I basically waited with this video because now it's explained. Whose wallet is this? And people thought this was a rug pull. Now, this only got 37 upvotes, but a lot more people saw it. And why has it received over 100 million worth of SHIB from a wallet that minted all the coins? The devs need to address this. And it could be for exchange. You need liquidity for it to function. Could be for testing the swap, as they need to be testing the actual mainnet before it's open to the public. So someone was saying, you know, that $100 million was being taken, which is a big accusation, but I don't believe this, and we do have proof. It's connected to the wallet that minted all the Shiba Inu coins. This wallet sends a bunch of Shiba that it got from the main wallet to other wallets and sells Shiba. So someone explained, and the AMA said they're working with multiple exchanges to set up staking. This could be related to that are having SHIB to use for staking. You're the one that posted the wallet. Why do they say it says staking? Look at the ones that aren't staking. I'm not going to post each and every transaction. You can find them for yourself. If you go all the way back from the beginning of the pages, you can see the wallet sending to other wallets that sell the coins. And I've looked at multiple pages that have looked at the ones that don't stake, and the SHIB is transferred to a different wallet and send wallet to says staking on nearly every address I looked at the random pages 1 to 54. Likely it's a wallet being used to test the swap, as most transactions show staking. You're the one with a case to prove, and you know, a lot of things are happening. You know, people think it's a pump and dump, but not really. What's happening is just these coins are being sent to actually test the site, to stake, and that's a big amount basically. That's if we check over here, this is 6 million in worth. You know, they're sending in and out, and this is a lot of money that they could be selling at any time, but they refuse to do so. And we can see here withdraw, exit, stake. and the stake are the most important because they're going in. If it says in, basically they're staking, and these wallets are not pump and dumps. They're actually to test the site by itself and to provide the liquidity it needs. So for anyone thinking that the devs have a wallet that can scam everyone, do not take this seriously. It's a FUD, and the developers do not have any funds so far, or if they do, they probably have less than you, if they have any at all. So if we check over here, Australian regulators seek public input on crypto ETPs, and whether exactly ETPs, but only Bitcoin and Ether will get accepted. I'll be quickly going through this one, but whether these products can meet existing expectations for ETPs, including whether crypto assets are appropriate to underlying assets, where crypto assets can be reliably priced, and we can see if they want to be accepting some sort of payment plans, they're only going to be accepting Bitcoin so far. So also agreed that the proposal that regulated investment product like ETP should be limited to a small subset of crypto assets that can demonstrate robust liquidity, transparency, and price discovery. So they're only going to be listing cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum so far. So if Shiba Inu becomes a big liquidity cryptocurrency, big volume cryptocurrency, then that one is going to be listing it as well from what I'm seeing. But the MicroStrategy's most recent bond drops below par as Bitcoin sells off. So if you thought you lost a lot here, MicroStrategy's latest bond to finance the company's additional purchase of Bitcoin is now trading below its face value of the price of cryptocurrency continues to decline. Prices on the 50 million bond, which closed on June 15, dropped almost 3 points. So right now, if we go over here, the bond, which is due to 2028, so they're holding, they're the longest holders everywhere. In 2028 is guaranteed by the new Bitcoin MicroStrategy bot and any other digital asset the company acquires in the future. So basically, meanwhile, another of the Virginia-based software's debt instruments, a 1 billion convertible bond, was trading at 68. And if Bitcoin's price remains at its current price level of 32,000, the company will need to write down roughly 64 million for its recent Bitcoin purchase. At last count, MicroStrategy held 105,000 Bitcoins. The company has so far issued more than 1.5 billion convertible notes. Now that's a big holder and junk bonds to fund purchases of a cryptocurrency. So MicroStrategy stock took a hit on Tuesday, with shares trading below as 4% of the price at the time. So we're seeing actual gains, big gains, and if they sold off 1.5 billion or issued 1.5 billion in convertible notes, they're surely very bullish on Bitcoin. So Michael Saylor is one of the biggest holders right now, holding 500 million, and 500 million is not something you can shrug off of. That's a lot of money, and he's sure that Bitcoin will grow. So that's very bullish news. We heard this before, but now we're hearing a bit more. So definitely stay on the line. Shiba Inu not sinking yet, and there's some FUD I had to explain to all the holders, because I mean there's a lot of FUD going on around overall, and I just think it's not true. I just think there's a lot of misconception. Devs aren't talking as much because they cannot, and I'm here to explain the FUD and why it is false. Anyway, thank you so much for dropping a like. That's all I'm asking today, and see you until next time. Peace, everyone.